Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmills for senior walking that are available on the market for their true quality and practicality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on popularity, performance, build quality, ease of use, and value. Whether you're looking for something compact, something with incline options, or just an affordable solution for walking at home, there's something for everyone here. And if you want to see more information and the updated prices, be sure to check out the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the generic handlebar for walking pad. Now, this isn't a full treadmill, but rather a great add-on for those who already own a 19.7-inch wide walking pad. Its primary purpose is to provide extra balance and stability, which is especially beneficial for seniors or anyone looking for additional support during their walking sessions. The design is well thought out, with a height-adjustable range of 31.5 to 37.4 inches, making it suitable for users of various heights. Its heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring durability and stability. The non-slip base and ergonomic grip are standout features that promote proper posture and safe use. Plus, the quick tool-free assembly makes it incredibly easy to set up. While this handlebar is a fantastic safety addition, it's limited in use since it's not a standalone treadmill. It's ideal for someone who already owns a compatible walking pad and wants to enhance their walking experience. The price point at $74.99 makes it an affordable upgrade for added safety. However, if you're looking for a complete treadmill, you'll want to keep watching the countdown. Coming in at number 4, we have the generic compact manual treadmill. This non-electric treadmill is ideal for those who prefer a simple, no-frills workout experience. It's designed for small spaces with a folding mechanism that makes it easy to store when not in use. The manual operation means you don't need a power outlet. Just step on and start walking. The build quality is impressive, featuring a heavy-duty cold-rolled steel frame that supports up to 220 pounds. The extra-wide belt with shock absorption ensures a comfortable walking experience, while the foam handlebar adds to the overall safety. What's unique about this treadmill is its 3-level incline adjustment, which allows you to increase the intensity of your workout as you progress. Plus, it even includes sit-up racks, making it a versatile choice for a home gym. However, the lack of an electric motor means it may not be suitable for users who want to track detailed metrics or enjoy automated speed adjustments. It's best suited for seniors or beginners who want to stay active at home without the complexities of a motorized treadmill. While the price isn't available, its manual functionality and portability make it a solid option for budget-conscious users. At number 3, we have the Y-Run Walking Pad Under-Desk Treadmill. If you're looking for a compact and quiet solution for walking or jogging at home or in the office, this treadmill is worth considering. It features a 2.5 HP brushless motor, ensuring ultra-quiet operation, which is perfect for shared spaces like apartments or offices. The standout feature here is the dual shock absorption system, which minimizes impact on your joints, making it ideal for seniors or anyone with knee issues. It's lightweight and portable, with front wheels that make it easy to move and store. The LED display and Bluetooth connectivity allow you to track your progress and even sync with a fitness app for personalized training plans. With a maximum speed of 4 mph, it's more suited for walking or light jogging than intense running. While it's an excellent choice for small spaces, the limited speed range may not appeal to users looking for a more versatile treadmill. Overall, the Y-Run Walking Pad is perfect for seniors who want a reliable, low-impact option for daily exercise. Its combination of features and compact design makes it a fantastic mid-range choice. The runner-up on our list is the Funray Versatile Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill is truly unique, combining fitness with relaxation thanks to its dual-function design. Not only can you use it for walking, jogging, or even running, But it also features a foot massage mode inspired by nature to help relieve tension and soreness. The build quality is excellent, with a robust frame that supports up to 330 pounds. The multi-point shock absorption system and anti-slip running belt provide a safe and comfortable workout experience. The treadmill also offers a manual incline and adjustable speed up to 6.2 mph, making it versatile enough for various fitness levels. The dual-panel display and remote control make it easy to operate, and the foldable design ensures it's easy to store. Its unique foot massage feature and customizable modes make it stand out. But the price might be a bit steep for those only looking for a basic treadmill. Overall, this is an exceptional choice for seniors who want more than just a treadmill. It's a complete fitness and relaxation package. Finally, at number 1, we have the 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill from Rayspace. This treadmill takes the top spot for its impressive combination of features, build quality, and performance. With an 8% incline, you can maximize calorie burn and simulate the experience of hill climbing, making it a fantastic option for anyone focused on fitness. The 3.5 HP motor is both powerful and quiet, supporting users up to 350 pounds while keeping noise levels below 40 decibels. The 6-layer, non-slip running belt and advanced shock absorption system provide a smooth and joint-friendly workout experience. The versatility here is unmatched. You can use it as an under-desk walking pad, a jogging treadmill, or even a climbing machine. Plus, the compact folding design makes it perfect for small spaces. The LED display, remote control, and FitShow app integration add to the convenience, letting you track your progress and customize your workouts. While it's on the pricier side, the Rayspace treadmill is worth every penny for its versatility, durability, and performance. It's hands down the best choice for seniors who want a high-quality treadmill that fits their fitness goals. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and that it helped you find the right treadmill to fit your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next review.